are you? Christina! No. No, 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 no. Christina. Christina, baby. Christina. Christina, baby. What the fuck is going on here?
Oh my God.
No talking in class.
Hey! Hey, guys!
Where have you guys been?
We've been,
For Christina.
Christina, I'm looking.
Jason! Whoa!
Man, what's the matter?
Where's all my apple?
It's not funny, you guys. This is all real, okay? People are dying.
It's locked! It locks us in!
Oh, come on. What?
You can't get out! They locked us in!
That would be a good time to run.
I always thought a fear of clowns was just subverting what used to be a happy childhood memory. Although this clown is pretty scary.
Well,